Fundraising and donor management are essential components of any successful nonprofit or individual campaign. As technology evolves, platforms like Givebutter have revolutionized how organizations connect with supporters, streamline operations, and grow their impact. Givebutter is an all-in-one fundraising platform that combines donor management, campaign customization, and community engagement tools in a seamless, user-friendly way. Whether you're running a grassroots nonprofit, planning a crowdfunding initiative, or managing a large-scale fundraiser, GiveButter simplifies these processes while maximizing your reach and efficiency. This tutorial will guide you through the key features of GiveButter, highlight its benefits, and provide actionable tips for making the most of its powerful tools in 2025. So by the end, you'll understand why GiveButter stands out as a premier choice for donor management and fundraising success. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the fundraising campaign creation. So, GiveButter enables users to design personalized, visually engaging fundraising campaigns. With templates, media integration, and goal tracking features, it allows you to tell your story effectively and capture the attention of donors. This helps create campaigns that emotionally connect with supporters, boosting donations and overall engagement. Another key feature is the donation tracking and reporting. The platform provides real time tracking and advanced reporting tools that display donation trends, donor habits, and campaign performance metrics. This enables data driven decisions to refine your strategy and strengthen donor relationships. Another key feature is the team fundraising support. GiveButter's team fundraising capabilities let multiple users collaborate on campaigns. Participants can set individual or group goals and track their contributions in one place. This encourages participation and fosters a sense of community among team members and donors. Another key feature is the integrated donor CRM. The built-in CRM organizes donor information, tracks communications, and allows you to create donor segments for targeted outreach. This saves time and improves efficiency by keeping all donor-related data centralized. Another key feature is the seamless event management. So it hosts events with ticketing, RSVPs, and attendance tracking, all directly managed within Givebutter. This simplifies event logistics and integrates fundraising efforts with event planning seamlessly. Another key feature is the customizable payment options. Support for credit cards, PayPal, Venmo, and more ensures donors can contribute in ways that are most convenient for them. This expands your donor base by accommodating diverse payment preferences. Another key feature is the automated donor communication. So it automatically sends thank you notes, receipts, or updates to donors after each contribution. This enhances donor satisfaction and nurtures long term relationships with minimal manual effort. So, why is Givebutter a great choice? Give Butter's combination of ease of use, Affordability and powerful functionality makes it a standout in the donor management and fundraising space. Its all-in-one approach reduces the need for multiple tools, saving organizations both time and money. The platform also shines in its ability to foster community engagement thanks to features like team fundraising and storytelling campaigns. This focus on personalization and emotional connection resonates with modern donors, building trust and loyalty. Additionally, Givebutter's transparent pricing model, which minimizes fees, ensures that more of your funds go directly toward your mission. So here are some tips for maximizing Givebutter. So first tip is you want to use visual storytelling. So incorporate compelling images and videos into your campaigns to create an emotional connection with donors. Stories about your cause's impact can inspire higher levels of engagement and giving. Another tip is to engage your community regularly. So use GiveButter's CRM features to segment your donors and send tailored updates, thank you messages, or event invitations. Regular communication helps maintain engagement and encourages repeat contribution. So basically, GiveButter is much more than a fundraising platform. It's a powerful, flexible tool for engaging donors, building community, and achieving your organization's mission. Its user friendly interface, coupled with robust features like integrated CRM, customizable campaigns, and real time reporting, makes it a versatile solution for fundraisers of all sizes. By leveraging storytelling, data insights, and team collaboration, you can maximize your campaigns and grow your impact. Whether you're hosting events, running a grassroots campaign, or managing long term donor relationships, GiveButter equips you with the tools needed to thrive in 2025 and beyond. So, as you explore its features, you'll see how GiveButter empowers you to streamline operations while focusing on what matters most, making a difference. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.